that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Woodzones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today we're going to talk about the crypto market that attracted 170 billion in a single day as Bitcoin explodes above 41,000. Great day, guys. Very good time to be in. We've been waiting for this, but we are still not out of the bear yet. We are still not out of the bear. So we got to be trading carefully and see that over the next few weeks, what is actually happening. So let's check out some of the news. So right now, of course, we have Bitcoin have exploded to 41K. The crypto market have attracted about 170 billion. We have passed the 40,000 breakpoint. Can we be stable? It's a question we need to see over the next few days. So more than 2 weeks of trading below 40,000, Bitcoin made a move to reclaim the level of the entire market with a huge price increase from Ethereum, Cardano, BNB, Solana, and Polkadot. Now, it was just a few weeks when the main cryptocurrency crashed below 37,000. And in a few weeks, the asset failed to recover most of its losses and dumped to its lowest point since July below 33,000. It started with some value, some challenge, 39,000 a few days ago. And it was rejected at first as the bears push it way down at 37,000 right away. Now, this was a situation change, trading between 37,000 and 38,000. And it's above 40K, 41,500, and means that crypto is up $4,000 in just one day. It's a result of the market that dumped below 700 billion just a few days ago, which is now close to 800 billion. So Polkadot, Terra, Luna, Avalanche, Matic, Binance Coin surged by double digit in a single day. A Bitcoin modest gains from Solana, Ripple, Cardano, Doge, and CRO. And expected low mid-cap altcoins like Gala led the way with a 30% surge, followed by Leo, which increased 25%, and Juno increased 20%. The Sandbox also followed suit with an 18% increase. Mina Protocol 16%. Thorchain with a 14% increase. The crypto market attracted 170 billion since its low above 1.9 trillion. So as per CoinGecko, the asset got off to a bad start of the year and crashed to levels not seen since 6 months ago. The coin, of course, looked like it's a slow recovery despite being down more than 40%. And an all-time high of 69,000, which touched in November. So hopefully we can actually break that all-time high. Yeah, 4 possible reasons for this 5K surge above 41,000 for Bitcoin. Bitcoin price, of course, has moved up to 41,000. It's worth nothing. I think one possible scenario was the reporting season. Of course, we saw most of the companies actually did well, except for Meta, aka Facebook. So Wall Street, of course, has been impacting the cryptocurrency for a while. A critic to be aware of the macroeconomic factors that influence stock, and majority of the tech giants, big name in the legacy market, has done filing their financial reports for the last quarter of 2021. And just a few days ago, of course, in Q4, we have seen great wins for some of the biggest companies, but loss, particularly for Facebook. So the second portion is the job reports exceeding expectation. So the U.S. Labor Department, of course, showed that unemployment rate have increased from 3.9 to 4% over the same period. So in January, number of people jobless less than 5 weeks increased to 2.4 million, accounting to 37% of the total unemployment. And the number of long-term unemployment for these jobs is more than 27 weeks, a decline in 1.7 million. So, of course, now it's important to keep the bigger picture in mind as more job trends and tends to translate to lower inflation, something that the wide publicity has been advocating for some time. Just a reference of a price drop for BTC slightly after the report and then exploded to a high not seen in more than 2 weeks. Now, the 220 millions also that happened on CoinGlass, we have actually covered that yesterday's video where we saw in an hour a lot of people was putting the short positions, thinking that it would Bitcoin would actually be liquidated with shorts. Unfortunately, the bulls won today. So 220 million worth of liquidation short positions across major exchanges, including Binance, OKEX, FTX, Bybit, Huobi, BitMEX, and so forth. Now, in total of 80% of the liquidations in the past day was short position, which triggered a so-called short squeeze and a market condition where the price are moving up, triggering more and more liquidations, which in turn further up momentum. And of course, last but not least, a correction was due. Now, the price of Bitcoin have seen massive downtrend in the last couple of months, and there haven't been a significant positive correction for quite some time. Now, yesterday, daily candle showed that the largest green candle since the drop of the market took place in November 10, and Bitcoin has marked its all-time price. So now it's interesting to see whether or not it is a confirmed breakout or a downtrend. Could possibly be a fake out. Let's see whether the market is well on its way to recovering. Upcoming weekly close tomorrow will be critical, but still particularly important to remain very careful in the next coming days as volatility is likely to be enhanced. On a separate new Decentraland, Mana, latest developments. Of course, Microsoft has joined the metaverse, investing 69 million in Decentraland. Decentraland allows stores, personalization, offers royalties award to improve the metaverse. Decentraland 4 days event Metaverse Fashion Week will start on 24th of March. Now, the project also wants to introduce VR mobile apps, make NFT wearables, and launch desktop client applications aiming to improve the metaverse experience. So Decentraland promise an atmosphere that resembles our day-to-day interaction using blockchain technology. This was during the inception in 2012. As of now, the project has established a name in the metaverse concept. Decentraland saw an increase in popularity in this metaverse network when Facebook rebranded Meta in 2021 in October. Though the report helped Decentraland claim its spot as one of the leading metaverse network about the recent performance. So, of course, price update. Mana have seen massive bearish momentum in January, similar to other products in the crypto world. But Mana saw impressive bullish action since dropping towards 22 January lows and gaining more than 30% within the past 2 weeks. The coin declined to $2.60 and touching 271 as of today. So Mana, of course, ranked 31 place in terms of market capitalization, standing at 4.72 billion. Recent developments also, Decentraland project attracted big investors. Microsoft pushed 69 million to aid the Decentraland open source development. Tennis Australian partner with Decentraland and the Australian Open. The collaboration had a digital recreation of Melbourne Park's outstanding parts and facilitate the virtual competition. Though Decentraland boasts of the first mover advantage within the metaverse, it continues to introduce upgrades to be the best of the rest. Decentraland launched royalties shortly to introduce My Store section. Wearables creators will access royalties for each transaction completed via their NFT. So if you are in the NFT space, you can have that as a wearable in the store and make money off that. So you'll start to see a lot of artists, creators coming in, converting this into an NFT, a usable wearable in Decentraland. So of course, future events. Decentraland declare hosting the Metaverse Fashion Week, a 4 days event featuring multiple global brands starting from 24th of March. Customer can experience fashion show virtually during the event, attend an after party session, purchase and wear virtual clothing from catwalks, avatars. Decentraland revealed its 2022 manifesto on the 1st of Feb, triggering a genuine euphoria among its community. Meanwhile, team works on the DAO to improve their user experience, allowing users to display NFT wearables within the Decentraland ecosystem. Very interesting, guys. So, look at the price where it was at the all-time high, see how the percentage that it has dropped, and look for opportunities to dollar cost average as we move out from the bear market. Now, in terms of the country, the Myanmar military government plans to launch a digital currency. So according to Bloomberg, Myanmar military is preparing to launch its own digital currency to improve its economic growth. The State Administration Council said that the country is now assessing way to go forward in the digital currency launch. We are unclear whether we should accomplish it as a joint venture with a local firm or by the government alone. However, the General Min Tun subsequently commented that the digital currency introduced will be contributed to encourage financial operations in the country Of course, Myanmar, as we know, has gone through a lot of political issues at this point of time. So why would they be coming out with this? It's still unknown. But it condemned the VPN users between 3 years imprisonment to fine up to 5 million Myanmar if the bill forbids the use of digital currencies. Under the penalty, they will be jailed for 6 months. Same punishment and prevent VPN usage. Now, of course, Myanmar GDP has plummeted according to the projections of the World Bank. The GDP dropped more than 18% on the fiscal year ending in September 2021. World Bank research has forecasted that the nation would enjoy barely 1% of economic growth. And of course, due to this, there will be an impact. And claiming Tether as the official currency will also speed up general businesses, services, and payment. Now, the Myanmar military and other decisions regarding the virtual assets are unclear. So, banning cryptocurrency now and in talks of launching their own digital currencies. Some countries like India are also planning to launch their digital currency. And sometimes the governments forget the entire concept of cryptocurrency is on the reality that is decentralized. So,
Wow,
interesting
so many
times.
changes. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the bull is back. I think let's see how how long it's going to be here. But I'm seeing the prices are going up for all the tokens,
Yeah. So we've got
and it's a
to kind of
positive sign. Yeah.
reposition your portfolio. Let us know in the comment section below. What you think? Are we out of the bear or are we still in the bull? We'd like to hear your comments. So I'm going to hand over back to Manish. Join us daily live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, 11 p.m. Singapore time, 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Take it away.
Yeah. Thank you. So, guys, yesterday I have covered about Solana Web 3.0, and today there's some information about Opera browser. I think I've covered also. I given you a glimpse yesterday, but today we'll see what is the Opera browser plan on the integration with Solana Labs. This news came out on December 2021 last year, and now they are working on this integration already. So I think they got this idea from Brave browser, and then they also going to this space integration with Web 3.0, and for that they are partnering with Solana Lab. So let's check that out. What is the informations they have it? The completion for the next big Web3 tech giant by brewing up Opera browser is the latest to join this competitions with an announcement that will be offer Solana support. Through this partnership, user will access a wallet, offer fully compatibility for D apps. So if you see the tweet, Opera tweeted is Opera join force with Solana. The integrations will enable Opera Android users to enjoy seamless access to a Solana D app alongside low fees, fast transactions within the ecosystems. You will be able to access it through Opera in quarter 2022. So probably it's going to come soon. It'll be March. A blog post from Opera on December 10 stated that browser was partnershiping with Solana Lab for app support and the fastest blockchain. This partnership will allow it to run Solana wallet alongside all the D app on the platform. So Opera looking for a blockchain compatibility. So on the Twitter post, the Opera team noted that the integration of Solana will be rolled out during the first quarter of 2022. Afterwards, the browser users will enjoy the benefit arising from Solana blockchain integrations. This is not the first venture of Opera browser into a blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. The recent partnership could be attributed to the current hype surrounding Web 3.0. So I think we have covered yesterday some information about Web 3.0. In upcoming videos, also we'll be sharing in detail about the Web 3.0. While such news usually cause excitement across the market, the Solana token has failed to record an upsurge. The token is one of the most affected during this recent bearish trend. The token was dipped by over 19% during the past few days. It was trending around less than, I think it's $100 for now. So, Opera venturing towards Web 3.0. Currently, the technology space is filled with news of Web 3.0 and how this groundbreaking technology can change the future of internet. Web 3.0 is a decentralized form of internet where consumers of online contents can control their interactions. Web 3.0 will be developed through a blockchain technology and allow data to flow in a network without a single point of failure. I think you would have seen yesterday I covered this. And here also I'm seeing this line, the single point of failure, because earlier the model was server and client model, but now we are going on a decentralized way. So Web 3.0 browsers are already operational with some example including Hive, Spin, Filecoin, Mind, and more. The largest Web 3.0 browser is the Brave browser. I think we have covered in details in our past videos. You can check out our playlist. And we have also covered how to configure the Brave browser with your wallet. And for watching the ads, you will be rewarded. The browser is competing with the Google search engine, and it is powered by own blockchain network. The browser is powered by a BAT token, and this token is used to play for that advertisement and rewards users, content creators on the browsers. However, Opera is not seeking to have its own independent blockchain, and it has not developed its own native token to support the browser. Rather, it is looking forward for Web 3.0 by integrating with Solana blockchain. So, beside Solana, Opera has launched its native cryptocurrency wallet that will support DApp. The wallet also comprise other features that will boost the adoptions of blockchain technology. So, this about the Opera browser. I have some more things to share with you guys. Let me share my screen. Uh, Gecko is coming up with some event webinar on 14 and 15 July 2022, 9 p.m. to 3 p.m. You can just come here and registers. And this event is going to be a virtual one. And as you can see here, 120 speakers is going to speak in this entire webinar. There's a 40 plus sessions. The awesome activities will be there, and 50,000 worth of prize will be distributed here. So I think CoinGecko also into up to something. I think I can sense that. You can see emerge in the metaverse. They are also exploring the metaverse part, interact and engage with other attendees in a game and activity across the favorite metaverse. So hopefully they are going to buy a virtual place in the metaverse space. Interactive workshop where you can communicate with with the speakers and many other people, because it's going to be a live, and there is going to be a party where you can join virtually. And if you are interested, you can collaborate with these people and note down this URL here. uh, this morning they have tweeted early bird discount available now for a limited time only. Enjoy 80% off on the ticket. The ticket cost is around 39 80 per ticket. So these are the key events, and hopefully it's going to be the interesting one. And if you are interested, you can also register your name here. Okay, in other one more information I want to share today. Let me walk you through a very quick one. Uh, there is FTX UX exchange now. They have started a minting of Ethereum and Solana NFTs. You can you can if you are a user of FTX exchange, you can just head down there and start minting it, the NFT on FTX UX. Minting on NFT on FTX US is simple and a straightforward process. Here is what you need to do. 8 simple steps. Log as how other exchanges you are creating a login, you can create. After creating your login and get your KYC done, go to your minting buttons located in the right corner, even in the web page and in the mobile app. And then Select list new NFTs. Why I'm covering this? Because this is the exchange which has a Ethereum and Solana, both both blockchain NFTs. So yeah, then step 3, list the NFTs. Step 4, on the list new NFT page, you will first need to select your issuers or whichever issuer you want to target it. Name your NFT, select the quote currencies. This currency will be used by default USD by default, but you can also select Ethereum or Solana once that is completed, and just put some information in your description. After the step 6 is select the file you want to upload by clicking on choose file options. And step 7, submitting, just submit the just submit your NFTs. There'll be a transaction fee of $1 will be applicable, which is very cheap compared to any other marketplace. And then wait for your NFT to be approved. You should be able to see your newly minted NFT in the submitted NFT sections of the page. If you want to list your NFTs, you can go ahead and list out here. So that's all I have it here today. The market side of things will be much more interesting because now the market on the bullish side. So let's see. Yeah, Vinny,
Yeah,
over to you.
let's see what's happening over the market side of things. Fear index, of course, we are slowly climbing back up again. As you can see, we were doing in the 20s, 10, 15s. Now we are back to 30. There's some confidence that is growing, but we will know in the next couple of weeks whether we will be stabilized over, and coming out of extreme fear. Looking at today, of course, green across the board. You can see even in the crypto bubble, very nice to see this in the last 24 hours. But don't be fooled by this yet. Of course, we always keep track on Livecoin, the 30 and 90 days. We're still
Yeah,
not
it
out of.
could be just weekend bubble also. We have to wait for another 1 week and see whether it's a stable one.
Right. So you have to, so just look at the 30 days, 90 days. If you're using Livecoin for some of your favorite tokens, they're still out of the rate. So that's something to note. And if you get everything across the board, especially for those in 1 year, it's a good sign that we are really out and we
Yeah,
covered back.
let's see whether all our cryptos are hitting all-time high by March. I wish if that happens, it'll be good for our portfolios.
Yeah, we have to keep track on the macroeconomics to see whether we have moved back to 3 trillion and maybe surpass that to see a very nice money flow into the rest of the crypto space. Looking at this, LunarCrush, of course, the coin of the day is Binance, BNB, a lot of transactions that is happening. Top 10 coins, of course, is Gala in number 1, Axie Infinity, Vera City, the Sandbox, Credo, New Near Protocol, Tether, Decentraland, Terra Luna, and Torchain. So you get mostly all the metaverse back to life, as well as Torchain, of course, in the node side of things, and some protocol. So very interesting times. Terra Luna, of course, stable coins. Now, in the last, of course, we have 17,000 cryptos, 450 exchange, market cap going across $2 trillion. And of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum still take dominance, about 60% of the market. Last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up by 5.87, Ethereum up by 5.95, BNB up by 10%, Cardano up by 6.68, Solana up by 8.42, XRP up by 7.77, Terra Luna up by 11%, and Polkadot up by 10%. Over the last 7 days, of course, you can see we are looking bullish. Now, if you are new to this channel, do join us in our Telegram group. And also, we cover about 500 over videos on interviews, how-tos, crypto trends, tokenomics, NFT, blockchain. And yeah, we'll do one video a day. Our target is to hit 1,000 videos, mostly on education. Now, I'm going to hand over to Manish for the tweet of the day.
Yeah, so there is some interesting tweet is coming from BSC News. Baby Swap is leading the way with a partnership on Binance Smart Chain. Come see who is joined with them this week. And yeah, this is one tweet which I see is interesting and hope is informative for you guys. So that's all we have it for today, and see you guys tomorrow, and enjoy your weekends. The rest of day we have it. After that, Monday fighting days is coming soon.
Take care, guys.
Take care, guys. Yeah.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it